Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about basic conversation with action verbs. So let's get started.
Valiv behave yetness. Valiv behave yetness. Come sit down here. Toy thaviu panun jacket yetness. Toy thaviu panun jacket yetness. You can keep your jacket here. Tuhund safar kyuth rood? Tuhund safar kyuth rood? How was your travel? Mechu juice chon. Mechu juice chon. I want to drink juice. Mechu batkyon. Mechu batkyon. I want to eat rice. Arjun chu TV wuchan. Arjun chu TV wuchan. Arjun is watching TV. Papa chu akhbar paran. Papa chu akhbar paran. Papa is reading a newspaper. Darwaz kar band. Darwaz kar band. Close the door. Yim kyazi ch ladai karan? Yim kyazi ch ladai karan? Why are they fighting? Chain kath boozith av me asun. Chain kath boozith av me asun. Your talk made me laugh. Tse kya chuk sonchan? Tse kya chuk sonchan? What are you thinking? Boz main kath. Boz main kath. Listen to me. Mich palav chalain. Mich palav chalain. I have to wash clothes. Yichu natsan. Yichu natsan. He is dancing. Koshur lekhun chu mushkil. Koshur lekhun chu mushkil. Writing Kashmiri is difficult. Michu gar gachit bataranun. Michu gar gachit bataranun. After going back home, I need to cook food. Michu vazan badravun. Michu vazan badravun. I have to gain weight.
That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.